Once you've finished creating and checking your presentation in PowerPoint, it's important to properly save the file and prepare it for sharing. This ensures that all your content is safely stored and easily accessible to others if needed. The first step is to save your presentation file. Click on the File tab and choose the Save As option. This allows you to save your presentation under a new name, which is useful if you want to differentiate between versions or categorize them by project or date. You can change the name of the file here to something more descriptive, such as Marketing Plan 2025, and select the specific location where you want to save the file for future access or sharing. Alternatively, you can select an existing folder like the Sales folder to save the file directly there. This way, the presentation is saved in the right place, making it easier to organize and find later. To share your presentation with colleagues, use the Share option within PowerPoint. Choose to upload the file to OneDrive Personal. Once the file is uploaded to OneDrive, it becomes accessible to others you share the link with. This is especially helpful for team collaboration, where multiple people may need to view or reference the same file. If you need to send the presentation for printing or for viewing without allowing edits, you can save the file as a PDF. To do this, go to the File tab again, select Save As, and choose the PDF format. This creates a version of your presentation that is easier to share for reading or printing, and it protects the content from being accidentally modified. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your PowerPoint presentation is saved securely and shared in a professional and efficient way. Whether it's for review, collaboration, or printing, managing your file properly makes your work easier and more reliable.